Hi everyone, my name is Divya Malhotra, and I have been a very old patient, I should say, my association is really very old with BLK Hospital. I mean, it's not just from my generation, but even the generation post that. Before that, was associated with the BL Kapoor Hospital and how it was known as Kapoor Memorial Hospital, I should say. Uh, for the last, I would say for the last almost more than a decade, I have been visiting this hospital for my treatments. I'm a diabetic, and for some reasons, I was not able to take care of myself so well. But yes, any time and every time I've visited this hospital, it has been helpful for me. Whatever difficulty that I was facing, that was addressed and my issue was resolved. So this time in July 2021, I got to know that my creatinine was rising, and I was advised by somebody staying in our vicinity and who's also who has been a patient with Sir. So they advised me about Dr. Sunil Prakash, and that is how I landed here to get myself cured for the high creatinine. After I visited him, I found him really genuine and concerning, and the accolades that you can see in his the moment you enter his room and the accolades that you can see there, of course, they are inspiring and they bring back the positivity that you can think of. They can, of course, inspire you and bring back the faith, not just in the institution but in the doctor itself. And his accolades speak for him. And once you start talking with the doctor, of course, you know that he's the right one. Uh, he has the amount of experience, I should say, and the warmth that he brings back to his patients, the way he treats them and the way he speaks to them. I think half the battle is won. That's what I have witnessed. And then after checking my reports, he got to know that he advised me some test. Once I got them done, I got to know that there's a huge kidney stone that is lying there unattended, and he immediately recommended me to Dr. Rana, the neurosurgeon, and that's how I got admitted in the month of December. Got my sub PCNL surgery done, but there were some complexities involved, like I was a diabetic, and then uh, immediately I developed and I had pyelonephritis. So after my surgery, pyelonephritis, I think the kidney infection elevated, and I had severe chills and fever, high fever, which was tackled by Dr. Sunil Prakash, and I was on antibiotics for a long time. It was a difficult journey, but I'm sure the doctor made it possible with his knowledge and expertise. And I should say, before the surgery started, my before my surgery, the creatinine was 1.9 as per the hospital reports, but as per the external reports, it was 2.3. And today, when I see from a different lab, and in fact, from I should say from Lalpat lab, when I got the reports done, my creatinine level is below what it was before the surgery. So now it's dropped to 1.78. I am still in a compromised situation, but yes, with his expertise, I'm sure I'm improving and will do better. And so I would say that I would really recommend many people, because uh, I should say this, that there are so many doctors who have the equal knowledge, but the way he shows confidence in you. So when I talk about confidence levels, I was completely shattered, and I should say below average when in terms of confidence, because I was not sure. For me, this was such a big thing that was happening to me, and I when I absolutely lost hope. But he again told me that don't worry, I'm there and I'll take care of you, and then you'll be okay. He showed that confidence that he's going to make all the efforts to make sure that I'm again back on track. And I think the reports are clearly visible, and he's been able to do that. So I would recommend everybody, whoever is facing any sort of issues, to come down to him and seek his expertise and his guidance. Thank you.